So we are on Cape Breton in Nova Scotia, and tonight we're making some biscuits. They're pretty easy. You just use a little bit of water. It takes a half a cup. They come pre-made. You add them all together in a pan, mix them together. They go in the muffin tins. From the tins, they go into the oven for 15 minutes or so. They come out of there, and you've got something delicious to have with your dinner. Today we're cooking with a Coleman oven on a gas 1 butane stove. The butane stoves run on propane or butane. They come with an adapter. You can buy the stove from Amazon for about $30, and the Coleman camp oven costs about the same. The Coleman camp oven is about this size, and it packs down about 1 inch thick, so they're pretty portable. That's what we're using. We're gonna check on our biscuits here. They're smelling pretty good, and we think they might be rising. Those are looking pretty good. Let's pull these guys out. Oh, a little bit of wind. Oh, those are hot. But they're looking pretty good. Delicious. Look at that. They're delicious.
They're really good.
Can't beat biscuits in the woods.
We're in the woods? I see ocean. Ocean for days.
Oh, it's crusty.
And like
Oh,
It's so good.
meatball and cheese.
One of the best, Mason.
We should do biscuits and gravy one morning for breakfast.
Biscuits and gravy.
How awesome would that
Yeah,
be?
that would be so good with these. I think we need one of these camp ovens.
Yeah, I know.